Hello everyone, here is example 6 from R.S. Agarwal, class 12th book, and page number 1142 you will find this question. So they are asking find the shortest distance between these two lines. Okay, this is first line and this is second line. If you observe the line, let me write down ij plus lambda 2i minus j plus k, and second one is 2i plus j minus k plus mu times 4i minus 2j plus 2k. If you observe these two, if we observe, so here this second part of the equation which contains the direction information, it is matching. See here, 2i, it is 4i, it is just double of it. This is minus j and this is minus 2j, this is also double, and this is plus k, this is 2k. The ratio is matching. See, 2 by 4 minus 1 by minus 2 and here 1 by 2. What I am saying is the direction part is same. So that means these two are parallel lines. Okay, if you look at the directions, they are almost same. Correct? The ratio is matching. That's why this is the combination of parallel equations. Okay, for parallel equations, the shortest distance in 3D is given as, write down carefully, B cross A2 minus A1 by mod of B entire mod. This is the formula for distance between two lines. And what is B A2 minus A1? Let me show you. Suppose the first equation is A1 plus lambda B and second equation is A2 plus mu B. B I am writing same. Okay, if they are parallel equations, the direction part will be same, or it will be at least the ratio will be same. Okay, ratio means either B1 by B2 will be some constant. Okay, as we have it here in this question. In this question, you see 2 by 4 is also 1, minus 1, I just showed you now in this, the ratio of these two, 2 by 4, minus 1 by minus 2 and 1 by 2. These ratios are matching. So clearly these two equations are parallel. Okay. So here A2 minus A1 is this, A2 minus A1, the point information minus karke hai, or B is the direction part. Okay. So we have to extract this information from the given equations. So what is A1 and what is A2? So let me write down A1 plus lambda B, this is the equation, and A2 plus lambda B, this is the equation. Okay, I can take it B1 or B2. And here they are looking like different, but they are same only. Okay, so A1 is I plus J. If I compare, this is A1. And what is A2? If I compare, this is A2. 2y plus j minus k, and b1 and b2 are equal. So I will take first one, 2y minus j plus k. If you take first one or second one, you will get the same answer. It does not matter. Okay. So let me put these values in the formula. B is 2y minus j plus k cross A2 minus A1. A2, this A2 minus A1. So 2 minus 1 is 1i. J minus j is cancelling. Correct. Minus j and minus k and minus, यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है. तो 2i minus I is 1i. J minus j cancel हो गया आपका और minus j. ठीक है. Divided by mod of b. Mod of b is 4 plus 1 under root. Correct. How to find mod of b? A square plus b square plus c square का under root. Now let me solve it. To solve this, here I am doing the cross product. Ijk. The cross product is 2 minus 1 and 1. That's how we do cross product. Either 1, 0 and minus 1. So if we do the cross product, we will get I plus 3j plus 4k. I have explained the cross product in my previous videos. You can check. So this is the cross product. I plus 3j plus k divided by under root of 6 and mod. So what will be the mod of this? 1 plus 9 plus 1 under root by root of 6, which is nothing but under root of 11 by 6 units. So this is the distance between these two parallel lines. Next question we will see. This question you will find on page number, on the same page number. So they are saying write the distance between these two lines. So first let's check the equation is in standard form or not. तो ये equation Cartesian है, correct? Cartesian मतलब x y z में है. So we have to check whether this is standard or not. Standard form के लिए guys आपका x, y and z के कोफिशिएंट्स 1 होना चाहिए. यहाँ पर है x, y and z. This is standard only. ठीक है, you don't need to change it. Next, we will check the direction information. For this direction vector is this, and for this direction vector is 1, -2 and 1. So, do you think they are parallel? Clearly, they are not parallel because the vector informations की 2, -6 and 1 है denominator में, और इसका vector है 1, -2 and. There is a misprinting in R.S. Agarwal. Please make a correction. In this first one is actually 7, not 2. So this is the question. So clearly these are not parallel. They are skew equations. They are skew lines. Skew lines in 3D means they are not parallel. Okay. So for this, what is the distance formula for skew lines? Formula says A2 minus A1 cross B1 cross B2, as we did in the last video. B1 cross B2 mod and mod of entire. This is the distance of skew lines. Okay. And how to find out A1, A2? A1 and A2 is the point information, and B1 and B2 are the direction information. So देखिए x minus x1 by A1, okay, y minus y1 by, you can say A, B, C, and z minus z1 by c. तो इस इक्वेशन में जो कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन है, जो टॉप पार्ट है उसमें तो होती है पॉइंट इंफॉर्मेशन, और जो डाउन पार्ट है उसमें होती है आपकी वेक्टर इंफॉर्मेशन. पॉइंट को हम कहते हैं ए और वेक्टर को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं बी से. तो मेरी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है x प्लस 1 बाई 7, y प्लस 1 बाई -6 एंड z प्लस 1 बाई 1. ये मेरी पहली इक्वेशन है. तो इसमें व्हाट विल बी a1? a1 क्या होगा गाइस? इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, और इसी को हम किस तरह से, इसको दूसरे तरीके से लिखा जा सकता है टू गेट a1 a2 इस तरह से, माइनस ऑफ -1 बाई 7 है ना, y माइनस ऑफ -1 बाई -6, z माइनस ऑफ -1 बाई 1. ठीक है. तो यहां से आपको a1, a2 एंड a3 मिल जाएगा. आई एम सॉरी, दे आर नॉट a1, जस्ट वन पॉइंट विच इज a1, point which is present on this line. That point is present on this line is a numerator. ठीक है. तो आपको a1 क्या मिला? देखिए यहां से क्या मिला, -1 -1 -1, ये a1 हो गया. और b1 क्या मिला जो नीचे है, ठीक है, 7 -6 and 1. तो ये हमें मिल गया a1 and b1 which we will use for a distance. ठीक है. अब हम लिखेंगे दूसरी इक्वेशन. सेकेंड इक्वेशन है आपकी x माइनस 3 बाई 1, y माइनस 5 बाई -2 एंड z माइनस 7 बाई 1. ठीक है. तो यहां से जो पॉइंट है a2, ऊपर वाली इंफॉर्मेशन वो 3, 5, 7 एंड b2 क्या हो गया 1, -2, 1. तो ये आपको मिल गया a2 एंड b2. ठीक है. अब हम लगाएंगे दैट फॉर्मूला, this one, the distance between two lines, this one formula. ठीक है. तो इसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले क्या चाहिए, a2 minus a1. तो ये है a1 और ये है a2. तो लेट्स कैलकुलेट a2 minus a1. ठीक है. So a2 minus a1 will be 3, 5, 7 minus a1 है -1 -1 -1. तो ये हो जाएगा 3 + 1 4, 6 comma 8. Then we need B1 cross B2. B1 cross B2 will be I, J, K. ओके, तो B1 क्या है आपका 7 minus 6 and 1 और K क्या है यहाँ पर, आई एम सॉरी, B2 है 1 minus 2 and 1. तो cross product you should know, correct? So after cross product you will get this minus 6J minus 8K. I have explained in my previous videos. तो आपको ये values मिल गए, ठीक है. तो now what we need, B1 cross B2 mod. So it will be under root of 16 plus 36 plus 64, correct? A square which is 4, B square which is 6 minus 6 का square 36, and C square which is minus 8. Minus 8 square is 64. This you should know by now. So why we will get this? So pretty much we got everything. The distance formula will be what? A2 minus A1. So let me put 4I 6J 8K dot, this is the cross product, and how much we got is minus 4I minus 6J minus 8K under root of 116, and we need to take mod of entire thing, ठीक है. तो dot product में we do I with I, ठीक है, I with I, then J with J and K with K. So I will get minus 16 minus 36 minus 64 divided by root 116 mod, ठीक है. तो mod में ये minus क्या हो जाएगा, सारा minus will become plus. If you add, this will be minus and root of 116 mod. So what will you get here is minus, when you remove from mod, this minus will become plus, correct? 116, ये सारा minus. So this is nothing but under root of 116 units. So this is the distance between two lines. If you want, you can simplify. We can write it 4 into 29 under root. So under root of 4 क्या होता है guys? 2. It will be 2 under root of 29. We will see next question. This is example 1. On page number you will find on 1147 on R.S. Agrawal. Okay. So in this question they have given two skew lines and asking the distance between those two. So there is no need to use another new formula. So we will just use the same formula. Distance between two skew lines is nothing but A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 by mod of B1 cross B2 mod of entire thing. So this is the distance formula. Okay, we need to extract B1 and B2. ठीक है, तो वो कैसे करेंगे? Let me show you. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है आपका, देखिए फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज दिस. ओके, तो लेट मी राइट इट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. फर्स्ट वी विल राइट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. तो x ऑफ माइनस 3 कैन माइनस 4 ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. y माइनस 6/3. दिस इज z माइनस 0, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं है z के साथ, तो z माइनस 0/2 स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है. ठीक है, तो आप याद रखिए कि जो टॉप पार्ट होता है, लेट मी राइट डाउन, टॉप पार्ट में हमें मिलती है पॉइंट इंफॉर्मेशन. पॉइंट मतलब A1 वाली, और जो बिलो वाला पार्ट है डिनोमिनेटर, उसमें हमें मिलती है आपकी वेक्टर इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज B1. तो अगर हम यहां से देखेंगे तो ये जो है आपका, ये वाली जो इंफॉर्मेशन है ये और ये आपका है A1. तो लेट मी राइट डाउन, A1 है -3, 6, 0 स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म से अगर आप करेंगे तो. ठीक है, और B1 जो डिनोमिनेटर है -4, 3, 2. अब हम नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन लिखेंगे x माइनस ऑफ -2. ये वाली जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, ये वाली, इसको मैं स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिख रही हूँ. ठीक है, स्टैंडर्ड क्या होता है वो कई बार मैंने क्लास में बताया है. स्टैंडर्ड होता है x माइनस x1/a, y माइनस y1/b, z माइनस z1/c. तो ये वाला जो स्टैंडर्ड है उसी को हम यहाँ पर यूज कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो a इज दिस, y माइनस 0/1 एंड z माइनस 7/1. देखिए यहाँ पर ये जो है आपका x, y और z, उसके कोई भी कोफिशिएंट नहीं है, तो ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ही है. ठीक है, इनके जब कोफिशिएंट तीनों के 1, 1, 1 रहते हैं, ये स्टैंडर्ड है. तो इसमें से आपको जो पॉइंट इंफॉर्मेशन है यानी कि A2 वो हो जाएगी -2 0, 7 एंड जो B2 है वेक्टर इंफॉर्मेशन -4, 1 एंड 1। ठीक है, तो अब A2 माइनस A1 चाहिए आपको, -2 0 एंड 7 माइनस A1 है -3 6 एंड 0। तो आई होप आप कर लेंगे। 3 माइनस ऑफ माइनस क्या हो जाएगा, -2 + 3 इज 1, 0 -6 7 -0 इज 7। तो ये हो गया आपका A2 माइनस A1। क्या किया मैंने, दिस माइनस दिस, 2 माइनस ऑफ माइनस हो गया 3 है ना, तो -2 + 3 इज दिस। ओके, if you feel it is going slow you can forward it or watch it at a higher speed। ठीक है, तो this minus this is 1, फिर 0 -6 is -6, then 7 -0 is 7, ये मिल गया। now we will do B1 cross B2। so here I have done B1 cross B2। देखिए this is my B1 and this is my B2। okay, so here I have done B1 cross B2 here। so if you solve it B1 cross B2 you will get I -4j plus 8k, correct। now what do we need, we need B1 cross B2 mod। so mod will be 1 + 16 + 64 under root, correct। here a square plus b square plus c square, वही किया मैंने। so this will come out to be √81 which is 9। okay, so once we got everything, we got A2 minus A1, we got B1 cross B2 and we got mod। so what will be the distance? Distance formula will be A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 by mod of B1 cross B2 and उसका mod। ठीक है, अब हम क्या करेंगे, we will keep all of these values। so let me put here A2 minus A1 is 1 -6, 7 dot B2 cross B2 is how much, 1 -4, 8 divided by 9। so if you do dot product of these three, I with I, this is 1 with 1 is 1। ठीक है, then this -6 and -4 is 24 plus 56 by 9, so this is 81 by 9 which is 9 units। so this is the distance between